Hi, welcome back to the channel. This is Tommy and today I'm going to show you how to properly play PUBG mobiles on the new Mac Mini M4. Why did I say properly? Because this isn't just about getting the game to run, it's about tricking the emulators and the game setting to achieve the best performance and gameplay experience. And before we begin, I am so excited to announce that I'm doing a giveaway for 5 free monthly membership for MuMuPlayer Pro. This is the best Android emulator for Apple Silicon Mac. You could use it to play your favorite mobile games like PUBG, Genshin Impact, and many more. And it's super easy to join this giveaway as well. Just need to drop your comment under this video to answer this simple question. What game would you use MuMuPlayer Pro to play? And after 2 weeks, I will do the random pick with your username and then we'll announce the winner in the upcoming YouTube videos. So stay tuned, and big thanks to MuMuPlayer Pro team for sponsoring this giveaway. Now let's get back to the videos. The first step that we are going to do is install MuMuPlayer Pro. You will find the first link in the video description. Click on that and hit try free to download. Once you got the file, double click to start the installation. Now agree to the term, and when you see the logo appear, double click it again to complete the installation. Now if you are installing MuMuPlayer Pro for the first time, it might prompt you to update to the latest version. For some people, when they click update now, they will encounter with this error. But don't worry, check out this video on my channel to learn how to fix it. Now when you get everything up to date, it's time to create a new account. You can register using your Google or email address to start a 7-day free trial, or you can join the subscription directly. Now to ensure our device can handle game well, we are going to tweak some settings. So just click on Options and select Settings. This will open the configurations, and on the Device tab, make sure you set the GPU models to high, because we want to get the best performance and also make this emulated device compatible with most of the game, right? Now on the Display tab, select tablet as your display type and also set the resolution to 4K for the best visual experience. The auto window rotations and graphics enhancement needed to be turned on to improve the overall image quality. And finally, on the Performance tab, this is where you decide how much CPUs and RAM you would dedicate to this virtual device. For example, this base Mac Mini M4 has a 10-core CPUs and 16GB of memory, so I will allocate 6 cores to the CPUs and 12GB to the memory. And of course, if your device has a better spec like M4 Pro or Max, feel free to allocate even more for a better performance. Now we are going to enable GPU Fast Math, set the maximum frame rate to 60 FPS for smooth gameplay, and also check on reducing it to 50 FPS when the emulator runs in the background. And that is about it. The data, developers, and global setting are just for development stuff, so we don't need to mess with them. You can go ahead and close the configuration, then start up the emulator. MuMuPlayer Pro works just like a regular tablet. You can download tons of games directly from the Play Store, not just PUBG Mobile. I also play Genshin Impact, and the famous racing car Asphalt 8 on this emulator. So go ahead and log in with your credential and download PUBG from the Play Store. Once the download is done, the game is ready to play. But if you want to boost performance and visual, head over to the in-game graphics settings. Now on the first two things, set everything to Ultra Graphics and Ultra Frame Rate. For the style, just go with what you like best. Personally, I love the colorful style, so that is what I'm choosing. In the general settings, set the anti-aliasing to 4x and turn on the shadow effects for more smooth and realistic game visual. I tried different setup and this one seemed like the best one. The game runs smoothly most of the time and you will hardly notice any lag or latency. Now some people might say, PUBG mobiles only run at 40 FPS and this guy say it's run great. And sure, most people will think more FPS usually mean better performance. But in our case, the emulator decided to limit PUBG mobiles at 40 FPS in order to keep the game run stable and avoid overheating. As you see, it's run super stable and I didn't notice anything like latencies or lag, so I'm happy with that. For a heavier game like Genshin Impact, you can push it up to 60 FPS and it still feels super smooth and responsive. So don't worry much about FPS, as long as the game can run stable and has no latency, it is good enough. Now in terms of controlling, you can use your keyboard and mouse to control like all the games. But if you have a control, it will get even better. I've made a detailed video showing you exactly how to set up the key mapping for both keyboard and controller. So make sure you check these out. In case you're using keyboard and mouse, just remember to lock the mouse first using the backtick key on your keyboard. This will ensure the mouse stays within the game windows and you'll have a better gaming experience for sure. So that is everything for today. Enjoy the game and let me know if you have any question like usual. Thank you for watching and don't forget to join the giveaway. I'll catch you in the next one. See ya!